Today, we're one step closer in our pursuit of offering every customer a truck with the look, features, and price point they need.
On the outside, Silverado has a fresh look that emphasizes the truck stance. Inside is an exciting new interior that feels roomier and more premium, with larger screens and new materials. New, intuitive, easy-to-use technologies provide an outstanding user experience. A significantly upgraded 2.7-liter turbo engine features best-in-class torque. And the ZR2, our new flagship lifted truck, offers a unique balance of off-road guts and on-road manners.
And we're so excited to share the new 2022 Silverado with our customers. We know they're going to love it just as much as we do.